Welcome friends, we have seen the Oracle table. Welcome friends, we have seen the special Oracle table. Welcome friends, we have seen the Oracle table dual and aggregate functions. Now we will discuss about numeric functions and string functions. Here numeric functions are absolute. Numeric functions contains four functions, that is absolute, power, round and square. Here numeric functions contain four functions, that is absolute, power, round and square root. First we will see absolute function, that is ABS. It will return the absolute value of a particular number. For example, here absolute value of minus 15 is 15. We have used the dual table. Now we will see the power function. Power function will return the power of a particular number. For example, next is power function that will return the power of a particular number. For example, here 3 is raised to 2 power, that means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. The power of 3 is 9 because next function is round, that will return the rounded value of a particular number. Next function is round, that will return rounded value in particular function. Next function is round, that will return the rounded value. For example, here 15.19 is rounded by 1 point, that is 15.2. Here in round functions, in the bracket 15.19, 1, that means after decimal point it will be rounded by 1 digit. Next function is square root function. That means next function is square root function. It will return the square root of a particular number. For example, next function is square root function, that will return the square root of a particular number. For example, here square root of 25 is 5. Next, we will see string functions. First, we will see next is string function. In string functions, we are learning first is in string functions we will first see lower, that is in string functions we will see first lower function. Next we will see string function. First is lower, that will return the letter that will return lower, that will return the character in lower case. For example, next we will see next is string functions. First lower, that will returns all the letters in the string in lower case. For example, here capital ABCD is converted into lowercase, that is small abcd. Next function is upper. Next function is upper, that will return all the characters in the string in uppercase. For example, here small abcd is converted into capital ABCD, that is uppercase. Next function is length, that will returns the number of length. Next function is length, that will return the length of a particular string. For example, here length is 8. Next function is INT cap. Next function is INT cap, that will return the string with the first letter in uppercase. For example, next function is INT cap. For next function is INT cap, that will return the string with the first letter in uppercase. For example, for example, here the first letter of the India string is uppercase. Here, the first letter of the string India in uppercase and rest of the characters are displayed as a small case, and rest of the characters are in small case, and rest of the characters are displayed in lowercase. Here we have done the string functions, numeric functions. Till now we have seen the aggregate functions, string functions, numeric functions. Thank you. Thank you.